18 private jet landed in Jamaica.
Be the bearer of bad news. I know you're excited to go down to Kingston, but air traffic control just slapped a 2.5-hour delay on the plane.
A lie.
Because basically they got to coordinate between LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark, and they can't launch all the airplanes going to the same. So just think about.
Yeah, man, welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll actually have to go through quite a few things. For example, Vybz Kartel show is tomorrow, and everybody getting excited, getting prepared. As you can see in the clip that's on the screen, basically then turn the airport in a traffic because of the IPA. Private jet them will fly down with the international artists and even people coming here to see Vybz Kartel show and whoever else is gonna perform. But I saw something online earlier. They're saying that Masicka, he was supposed to perform on Freedom Street, but unfortunately he won't show up. He has a show January 1st, a trucker show. People are saying that he has a contractual agreement, meaning that if people see him on Freedom Street, they're not going to want to show up, the next day for that show. So he has pulled out, unfortunately. So I saw this on Yard Vibes saying that Vybz Kartel kicked Masicka off Freedom Street after it's alleged that Masicka asked for more shillings, which is, money. Now, I don't like this narrative because people in the comments were saying almost money because they I will time they see artists perform on the same day, 2 different shows, or perform the next day, yada yada yada. But if an artist signed a contract, they can't just pull out of it, right? They have to basically show up, or else they can be sued. Have to return money, all those things. But what I'm saying is they're always trying to pin artists against each other, and I don't like it. But let's hope this is not true, because in the caption it did say alleged. So they're saying that if everybody go see Masicka Freedom Street, nobody not go and go to the show. And Clarendon is a far ways from all the way, at the stadium. So let's just hope that Iman Kartel's still good, because as you can see, Kartel just upon unity, and we just can't take the negativity for 2025. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section.
18 private jet landed in Jamaica, according to the Jamaican Observer. One man made December change forever. And Sting, promoter of Sting, you miss out on that? 18 private jet landed in Jamaica. Vybz Kartel, one singer made 18 private jet landed in December. And Sting promoters, are you miss out on that? And make traffic control back up in Jamaica. Vybz Kartel, Freedom Street, December is lit. Game changer. One man changed December. One man made traffic control back up. Plane after plane after plane. Imagine Monday. Imagine Sunday. That was last week. 18 private jet landed in Jamaica. Vybz Kartel, Freedom Street, December is lit. And Sting, you miss out on that. 18, one man.
Be the bearer of bad news. I know you're excited to go down to Kingston, but air traffic control just slapped a 2.5 hour delay on the plane.
A lie.
Because basically they got to coordinate between LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark, and they can't launch all the airplanes going to the same. So just think about, like, you see when it's raining and your highway's like blocked up? That's what's happening right now. So we can't all launch in the same direction.
Freedom the street, burn fast. A freedom the street, yeah, a freedom.
Yeah, man, that I go on, pan what I go on, but Sting was either cancelled or postponed. I think they said the new date is sometime in February, and Vybz Kartel was on an interview on stage the other day, and this is what he had to say. This was his comment when he heard about Sting being postponed.
Wait for this! So Sting is postponed, I'm told.
Yes.
What do you think about that?
But first of all, we have to deal with the words. Is it cancelled or is it postponed? The other morning when we look for my social media feed, I say postpone.
Yes.
And then what the next question? Postpone till when? Because we know Sting is a annual event. You know what I mean? So them need to clear up that. But what I would say about that postponement is that it's unfortunate because of Sting that. You know what I mean? Whole heap of giant forward out a Sting, including Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? And it's just one of the show them people I look forward to every year around this time, you know what I mean? So it's sad for the music, yeah, man, and for the industry and for the fans then. That's just plain and simple.
And so those who say you should not put on your concert so close to it, you say what?
Oh, me say, nah, man, that a rubbish, man. Can't think about this. Buju and Berry Snack have for them concert literally like 4 days or so after mine.
Yes.
And then the next day after my concert, I think you have Frenchman at the festive season.
Yes.
Jamaica people, matter of fact, a less show keep now in the festive season as compared to 25-30 years ago. We all enough to know that. Because remember back in the day after Sting, you have Fresh, you have the one down at Clarendon, you have whole heap of big show used to keep. With the same set of artists that rotate on it. But Kawa, Jamaica people love to party, especially in the festive season. So Kartel couldn't do nothing about Sting and Sting couldn't do nothing about Kartel. You understand? That's how much Jamaica people love party. And it's good for the culture.
Okay. So we are all sorry that it is postponed. Okay, it's an institution.
It is an institution. An institution that Vybz Kartel come out of too. And one of the youth them were used to pray as a little youth as a father God, I would never can walk on them stage. You know what I mean? So of course it is unfortunate news. Come on.
A lot of people were saying, oh, a Vybz Kartel fault makes things cancel, yada, yada, yada. Indirectly and yes, directly yes, because indirectly yes, and I'd say no, because the promoters or the production company rather was not, they weren't paid, and the Kartel fault that. Some people weren't going because yes, they got Freedom Street, but Leng, it is being said that Leng is not a person we like to pay. You will show up this thing and promise money and you get it. That is why Alkaline's sister made the post and she say he's known for not paying people. You understand? So if you people don't pull out on a Kartel fault that. But I digress. Bounty Killer was being brought up also in the interview. Because they were saying, how come you see link up with everybody but God, and say Killer boss Kartel, and people were wondering if he's gonna show up on Freedom Street. And I even said in one of my previous videos that I think that for the people who are not on the flyer, I feel like some of them are going to be there as a surprise. But then boom, we start seeing Intake Time a show Popcorn, Javinci, and now he actually tell them say yeah, Bounty Killer go up on his show. But before we get into that, guys, if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. Check this out.
Who are going upon it that nobody don't know that you going to tell me now?
No, but if me tell you, it would be a surprise.
We know that.
Bounty Killer. Yeah, thank you. Masicka.
Yes.
So the end.
But that
$1,000. You got in that number. You get some stuff.
I get
two, I get 2 calf.
Exclusive.
So,
I get 2
man.
calf.
Yes, but in addition to that, you know, the whole empire will be there. Ja Vinci recently added, because you know about the reunion, so there Ja Vinci, Popcorn, Lisa Hype, Hindu, Sheba, you know, there's a pity Gaza Slim won't be there, because I think she have a previous engagement, so, you know.
How long will you perform?
It's a 3-hour performance.
Boy, Kartel, no easy. I did a fake cough. It's clear, so I must be told the name them. Ironic. It's sad, yeah. Wish Gaza Kid Slim, was gonna be there, because she have some nice song with him too, and nice song by herself same way. But Bounty Killer actually sent out a message to Vybz Kartel in regards to Freedom Street. Check this out.
I want to make sure that prepare for God Freedom Street. You celebrate God works. Kartel used to say devil before him going to prison. Let me tell you no good. Hold up. Me and the done. And me set the whole plan. No man no better than the done. 48 the last boss said don't try go around the master. And me and the grandmaster. Listen to me. When him going to prison him name Daddy Devil. When him come out, when him say God is the. When him say God is the. You have to learn to earn. At least him learn. When you go through your struggles, you have to take it as a lesson and a blessing.
Yeah, man, me like that. Because they when I say what make Kartel, takes so long, and he say, well, I say the best for last, Eventually, I'm going to see killer, obviously. But Down Sound Entertainment, Scat and Joe, for those who are going to Freedom Street, they have I wouldn't say restrictions. They're just giving you a heads up in regards to the show. They're telling you guys that you must be there early on time. Gates are open at 4, but Nuffy even said please reach there before the time, because the traffic, and by the time Nuffy gets seat, but bathroom, liquor, everything. But you guys check this out.
Listen up! Down Sound Entertainment and Vybz Kartel wants you to take notes of these very important ticketing and parking information. Center stage and pod ticket holders will park on the stadium grounds. Parking for the grandstand and the bleachers will be at the National Heroes Park. Parking for the infield will be at the Jamaica College or 8 Kings House Road. No tickets will be sold at the National Stadium, so ensure to get them at your respective park and ride locations before you're transported to the venue. Gates open at 4 p.m., with DJs giving you the best in music. Enjoy the excellent decor, assorted foods and beverages. Vybz Kartel hits the stage at 10. Don't miss the opening either. Be prepared for fireworks show to count down 2024 and ring in the new year at midnight. Then Vybz Kartel hits you again in 2025 with more hits from his enormous catalog. Tickets now available online at freedomstreetlive.com or visit any Fontana Pharmacy and El Paso stores.
Will you guys be going to Freedom Street concert? Let me know in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, leave a like on this video, share with your friends, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.